Welcome back to Tech Arena, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we have an exciting topic for those who want to become an artificial intelligence engineer in 2023. So let's dive right in. To kickstart your journey, let's focus on the foundational skills you'll need. Begin with mastering programming languages like Python, Java, or C++. They are the building blocks for AI development and will give you a solid understanding of coding principles. Now, let's delve into the exciting world of machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning algorithms allow AI systems to learn from data and improve over time. Concepts like supervised learning and unsupervised learning, decision trees, and neural networks are essential to grasp. Hands-on experience is vital to become an AI engineer. Engage in real-world projects and participate in competitions like Kaggle. This practical exposure will sharpen your problem-solving skills and give you valuable insights into real AI challenges. Staying updated is crucial in this rapidly evolving field. Follow top AI researchers and read the latest research papers. Explore advancements in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, and reinforcement learning. While self-learning is essential, consider formal education too. Pursuing a relevant degree or certification can provide you with a comprehensive understanding of AI concepts and give your career a boost. To recap, here are the key steps to become an artificial intelligence engineer in 2023. First, master programming languages like Python, Java, or C++ to build a strong foundation. Second, dive into the world of machine learning and deep learning to understand the core concepts. Third, gain hands-on experience through real-world projects and competitions like Kaggle. Fourth, stay updated with the latest AI trends and research papers, focusing on areas like natural language processing, computer vision, and reinforcement learning. Fifth, consider pursuing a relevant degree or certification to enhance your expertise and credibility in the field. Becoming an AI engineer in 2023 is an exciting and rewarding journey. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Arena for more insightful tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy exploring!